we are in Almeria now, looking for the Airbnb. Basically, Amy, she is looking for the Airbnb. Turn around on the left. This is the hotel. Puerto de Porcena. Mundo Hau. This is the sign there. Looks cool. See it? Coming. Grupo Olive. This is the check-in. Wow, very futuristic. And it's not trying to text our name. Let's see it. Somebody's talking with you.
Okay, the room is not ready.
Okay, so we have to come later and do the check-in later, huh?
Can you repeat?
We have to come at 3 o'clock and do the check-in then, is that correct?
I can hear you properly.
We have to come back at 3 o'clock and do then the check-in.
Perfect.
Okay, good.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Bye.
Bye-bye.
Checking the future. Till the room is ready, we are walking here around in Almeria. It's 2:15. Everybody is doing some siesta. There we go. Mercado Central. Where the food is.
No te he visto, digo, esto estaba por ahí.
Basically in Spain, all Mercado Central, you have everybody's selling some food here. And you can eat as well. A big hall here, everything is food. Look how much serrano. Wow. Amazing. Somebody's sleeping there. Hey, wake up. Hey. That system is not working. Came a guy, we paid normally by Apple Pay or Android Pay you can pay, and he went up, going the key, it's coming down now, not working. Wow, the room downstairs, the check-in was no. Look at the room. Kitchen, light, table. Ceilings are around 3 meters, 2.5 meters. TV, couch, bed, put your clothes in, working desk, and shower. Wow, 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 amazing. So, what you eat in Spain? Tapas. Everybody's out. Look at that, how nice it is. Piazza in Almeria. Amazing. Look how nice. Plaza della Cattedrale. Amazing. Almeria. Look at this guy. Wow. Look how nice. These trees. Wow. Everywhere lockers here. It's like in Paris, huh? Yeah, something like that. Es propio del amor si es verdadero, compendiara en un ser el mundo entero. I don't speak very good Spanish. Are you laughing? Okay. Looks very cool. Alcazaba. See, amazing. Party. Everybody's doing party here. Look how nice that is here.
Facciamo il resto.
Look how amazing that is.
Ahí y me parece que una plancha entera vale 6 euros. Media plancha no sé qué.
Doing some archaeological stuff here. Looks amazing. She's doing a siesta. Look how nice that is, isn't it? It's under construction here. Look how nice that is. Amy there. Wow. Look at that view. This is the maybe first king of Almeria. Look how nice that is here. Look at that tree. Almeria, still here. Going now to have a coffee at the beach somewhere here in Almeria. This is in the morning, 9 o'clock, nobody. All the streets are clean here. Look how nice it is. Let's pick up the car. Hey guys, this is the new part of Almeria. It's at the beach here. Very nice, so you can see there's one new construction and everything. Walking here a little bit and having a coffee. Cappuccino, baguette, this view. Amy's as well here. Where's she? She's here. Ending here the vlog. Look how nice that is. Ending of the vlog from Almeria. See you in the next one.